Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're diving deep into the NZDUSD, the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar, to see what the current market conditions are and what the charts are telling us. The New Zealand dollar has been on a downward trajectory recently, struggling against the US dollar. This decline is primarily attributed to the Reserve Bank of New Zealand's, RBNZ, decision to cut interest rates for the first time in 4 years. The RBNZ cited slowing economic growth and a weakening global outlook as the main reasons for the rate cut, catching many market participants by surprise. This unexpected move has significantly weakened the NZD, making it the worst-performing G8 currency. Now, let's turn our attention to the charts and see what they're telling us about the NZDUSD. We'll begin with the daily chart, which provides a broader picture of the NZDUSD's recent performance. The daily chart reveals a clear downtrend, with the pair consistently breaking below support levels. If we focus on the last 2 months of candles, we can see a pattern of declining prices and a clear break of previous support, signaling that the downtrend might be gaining momentum. We can see a notable gap around 0.619, potentially a key level to watch for. The next major support level seems to be around 0.59, and a break below this level could result in a further decline in the NZDUSD. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we're getting a more granular view of the NZDUSD's movement. Looking at the last 24 hours, the NZDUSD has been in a volatile state, bouncing back and forth between support and resistance levels. The 1-hour chart's current candlestick pattern suggests a possible consolidation phase, as the NZDUSD is trading near a resistance level around 0.6087. However, it's important to note that the 1-hour chart also reveals some bearish signs, as the NZDUSD continues to find resistance near this level. This suggests that the bearish pressure is still prevalent, despite the consolidation. The 1-hour chart's recent candles are displaying lower highs and lower lows, indicating that the downward momentum might not be completely extinguished. We also have a noticeable gap around 0.604, which could act as a potential support level. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart, which is even more granular and shows us the very short-term price movements. If we zoom in on the last couple of hours, we can see that the NZDUSD is consolidating around the 0.609 level, with some short-term fluctuations, but no significant breakout yet. Overall, the current market sentiment suggests that the NZDUSD is facing significant bearish pressure. The recent rate cut by the RBNZ has significantly dampened the Kiwi's appeal, and the charts are mirroring this bearish sentiment. The daily chart shows a clear downtrend with a break of previous support, indicating that the bearish pressure is still strong. The 1-hour chart suggests a possible consolidation phase, but the bearish signs prevail with lower highs and lower lows. The 15-minute chart reveals short-term consolidation around the 0.609 level. Based on the current market conditions and the technical analysis of the charts, it's likely that the NZDUSD will continue to face bearish pressure in the short term. However, it's important to consider that the NZDUSD could experience some short-term rallies within this downtrend. Therefore, it's crucial to keep a close eye on the support and resistance levels we've identified. The 0.6087 level currently acts as resistance, while the 0.59 level on the daily chart could provide substantial support. The gaps around 0.619 and 0.604 on the daily and 1-hour charts, respectively, are also important levels to watch for. If the NZDUSD breaks below the 0.59 level, the downward momentum could accelerate. On the other hand, a sustained breakout above the 0.6087 level could signal a shift in the market sentiment. To be more confident about a bullish reversal, we'd need to see the NZDUSD breaking above the 0.619 level on the daily chart. This would suggest that the current bearish momentum has lost its strength and the market sentiment is shifting towards bullishness. However, it's important to remember that these predictions are subject to change based on various factors, including economic data releases, geopolitical events, and overall market sentiment. Stay tuned to Explain the Charts for future updates on the NZDUSD and other market insights.